Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for regularly visiting my channel and following up on my video updates. Today we are going to be doing technical analysis in cryptocurrencies. First we'll start the analysis in Bitcoin. Next we'll go for the Ethereum coin. Finally we'll do analysis in Binance coin. I'm in daily time frame now in Bitcoin. When we notice the price action, it was really going on a very nice uptrend. Then it was forming a triple top pattern. Then the trend reversal has happened. Before the trend reversal took place, it was finding resistance at this level. It was forming a very nice double top, triple top pattern. Then only the trend reversal has happened. So during that time also it was moving on a very nice channel pattern. And presently when we notice the current price action, this bottommost support is acting as the resistance over here. And recently also the price action was moving in a channel pattern and it broke this resistance line of the channel pattern and tried to make a new high, but it couldn't make the new high because this was the maximum level. When you draw the resistance line, this was the maximum level it has gone so far. So it was trying to give a new high and it couldn't break this previous resistance level. Formed a very nice double top pattern and it is under a retracement. So if it retraces also, here we already know this was acting as a support area. So presently I'm expecting it to retrace up to this support area, which is around 52822. Even if it falls still further, we can expect it to fall up to 48,000. When it falls up to the 48,000, we have the bottommost support of the previous channel pattern. So it will take a support over here and I'm expecting a trend reversal to happen from there. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame, when we look at the price action, it is very clearly showing that it is found a resistance on the previous resistance line. And it is also presently taking support on the present channel pattern resistance or support. And presently we can clearly notice that it has broken this support line. It is retracing downside and I am expecting it to take support over here, or if it breaks this support also, I am expecting it to fall up to here, then a trend reversal to happen. Let us mark the ranges. So I am expecting the bottommost support level to be here, 48,312. This is going to be the next support, and this is going to be the next level of support, and this is going to be the next level of support. Presently it is testing this support or resistance level. So these are all the ranges where I am expecting the Bitcoin to move. Let us do the analysis in Ethereum coin. I'm in daily time frame now. I've already marked the support and resistance level. This has been the resistance level previously, and present price action has managed to break this resistance level and it is presently moving in a channel pattern. So in the channel pattern also it has tested the resistance level in the channel pattern. Presently it is retracing. During retracement it is taken support on the previous high. So when we look at the trend, the uptrend is still there. Since it is moving in a channel pattern, we should have a little bit of retracement also to happen. So previously also it has gone up, tested this resistance level, then retraced. Presently also it is going up, testing this resistance level, then retracement to come. Again I am expecting it to form a new high and test this resistance level. As long as it is moving within this channel pattern, we can expect the uptrend to continue. If it breaks this channel pattern also, we have the next level of support over here, which is around 2,907. Then we can expect the uptrend to continue even from at this level. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. We can clearly notice that it was on a very nice uptrend. It has taken support over here. Again it has taken support over here. And it has taken support over here and also tested this resistance, which is around 4,965. Presently the trend is on the retracement. It is presently taking support on this support level, which is around 4,164. I am expecting to fall little further and take support on the bottommost support line of the channel pattern, then start its uptrend. Presently it is on a retracement within this channel pattern. Let us mark the ranges. I am expecting it to fall up to this level, which is going to be 3638, 3909, and presently it is taking support on the present support level, which is 4169. The next resistance is going to be at this level, which is 4536. Next level of resistance is going to be at this point, 5035. Let us do the analysis in Binance. I am in daily time frame now in Binance coin, and here I have marked the resistance and support level. This is the maximum level it has gone here. This is presently also acting as a resistance level. It is around 677. Previously this was a support level and it has broken the support level and has taken the uptrend. Presently it is trying to break this resistance level. To actually make a new high, it has to gather enough momentum to start its uptrend. So presently it is on a retracement. But still, good news is it is on a channel pattern. As long as it is moving within this channel pattern, we can expect the continuous uptrend. The bottommost support is at 327. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. So in 4 hours time frame, we can clearly notice that it has formed a very nice double top pattern. Then the trend reversal has happened. Previously it has tested this central line of the channel pattern and took support, and now it has broken this level and presently retracing back to test on the bottommost support level, which is around 527. So if you are planning to take a trade on this, wait for it to take support on the bottommost channel pattern, then go on a bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance area. So bottommost support is going to be here, 537. Now presently it is testing this support level, which is around 580. Next level of resistance is going to be here, which is around 620, and next level of resistance, which is also presently acting as a resistance, 678. If it breaks this resistance, we can expect to make a new high, which is going to be around 755. If you like this video and have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.